If you are looking for the best buy and sell TradingView indicator, then I have developed this indicator already, and this indicator is called Scalp, and it is listed on my website, if fxmentorus.com. And if you go to the indicator section, that at third number, the best buy sell indicator TradingView, the Scalp, and you can find all details about this indicator on my website. So please visit the website. The link is in the description of this video. Okay, now about this indicator, you can use on the smaller time frames, but if you are going to use on the higher time frames, then results are more reliable. So basically, this indicator can be used in the Forex, crypto, and the stock market, and this indicator is based on the boom and crash. Like, for example, this is gold 5 minute, and we have the boom, price is up, crash, the price is down, boom, price is up, and right now we don't have any signal. And just look at the performance, just look at the performance. That have you seen such type of performance before on any indicator that is working like this? On gold, you can see consecutively the next signal, the previous signal, it's perfect, it's perfect. Let's find where we have the losing signal. Even the crash worked, and even look at this. Okay, so if I show you till now, if I show you, let's say, okay, if I show you here, like 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7 8 9, almost 10 signals without any losing factor, because this is the perfect indicator, and that you can see. Okay, where it will have a losing signal, it will be displayed on the screen. Okay, so for example, now I'm going to the Great Britain Pound JPY chart. Now what you see here, the boom has not worked, the crash has not worked, but the third boom has worked. Okay, now let me tell you about the quality of this indicator. For example, if you're one or couple of signals, because the stop loss is not much in that indicator. Like if you're trading from here and the price up to here, so you are going to accept your stop loss. Like this was the crash signal, but the price was reversed, and it reaches to the if it's crossing or coming near almost here at the crash where the label is printed, then you can exit your trade. But the next signal, that has a very good potential to go into the big ride, and easily you can cover the loss that you have taken on the last two trades. That's a simple concept about this indicator. So for example, if we see that signal, the crash, it was good for scalping, it was good for scalping, crash worked. Okay, now just look at this, the boom has not worked. Okay, but now look at this, the crash, the whatever you lost on the boom, you have easily made already on the crash. Okay, so this is how this indicator works, and you can book the lifetime version of this indicator by contacting on Telegram or through email. But you can see this is good for scalping. Okay, whatever. Now if I change my time frame to 15 minute, now you can see, okay, that it's working much better than before, because the higher time frames have a good potential. You can see boom, and you can see a crash, and also you can see it also identify the trends as well. Okay, now you can see the boom, it was good for scalping, crash worked, boom is working. So this is how this indicator works, and it works on everything. Like you trade forex, crypto, stocks, and look and see on the 15 minute, that's the best performance ever by any indicator that is the paid. Okay, now let me tell you about this. Okay, so there was a crash signal, but the price comes up to almost here. So this is your stop loss. Don't wait for the market to go and cross the barriers. So better exit it. Okay. Okay. Now let me show you the bank nifty performance. You can see the boom is running on the 15 minute, and if we go back, the signal was crash, and this is the losing boom signal from here. Okay, now these are the also only for scalping. Okay, now if I show you the 5 minute performance of the boom and crash, then let's see what's happening here. You can see crash didn't work, but the boom is still taking you in that same ride. Okay, if we go to US 30, you can see the crash, boom. So overall this indicator is working, and it looks on the screen, okay, that this indicator is very perfect. But I always recommend my students to use it on the 15 minute, because 15 minute contains the best results for this indicator. You can see everything is in front of you. I'm not hiding anything from you. Okay, so whatever the signals are, bad or good, they are in front of you. You can see the boom has not worked, crash worked, boom worked, and the crash is on the way. Okay, but You know that mostly I trade Forex, so that's why I mostly focus on Forex and not much focus on the crypto. But overall, this indicator is very wise, and this is much better than using the free indicators that are available on the TradingView section. So if you want to book the lifetime version of the Scalp edge indicator, then you can contact on Telegram. You can contact through email. The links are in the description of this video.